Okay guys, I'm changing the pads on my Ford Transit 2.2 front wheel drive Mark 8. To do so, I've got a 15mm impact socket wrench with an attachment, so I've obviously put it into my DeWalt Impact. I've got my quick strip Airwin clamp because I have misplaced my brake caliper compression kit. Obviously custom standard wrench that comes with the van, changing your spare tyre. So these are my tools, this. I've got obviously a trolley jack where I've opted, instead of using the normal transit jack, I've put it on that nut just underneath the wishbone. I've lifted up, safest place to jack it up. And like I said, I'm going to be changing the pads, so I've actually gone for Brembo pads, which are actually really good. I've already done the other side and it went in rapid, really quick, so I'm going to show you how quick that is. Alright guys, so tyres off, and it's so simple. It's literally 2 nuts on the back of the caliper. That's all I'm going to do. Undo. Is the first nut there, second nut on the top there. Like I said, a 15mm bit into reverse, done. Out, do the second one. Obviously you don't need an impact, I'm just doing this solely for speed. Give it a wriggle, undo that, give it a bit more slack there. I've actually got replacements here as well, just in case. So I'm going to give this a wriggle. As you can see, it comes off nice and easy. I'm actually not applying too much pressure. Obviously, brake sensor here, if you want that out the way for just point of ease, there's a little clip at the top here, just behind it. So you press it in and pull out. Get that sensor out the way and then wriggle it out. Done. Pull the sensor through. I'm going to replace that sensor and put that up there so it's safe. It's not going to fall. Now I want to unclip these. Dead easy, as you can see. Pretty awful. Right down on the metal. Thankfully, no damage. No heavy ingrains on the pad. Pull that one out. Again, as you can see, really thin. So good timing to do. Optional, it's up to you. These clips, this van is actually quite new. So there's no rust. There's no reason why I need to change these. Brembo do obviously supply you with new parts to go in there if you want to use them. However, I'm going to opt out of it because I've got somewhere to go, and like I said, there's nothing wrong with this. So no doubt I will get some stick for that from some keyboard warriors, but don't worry about it. Like I said, dead easy, straight in. Next one on the back, dead easy, straight in, done. Right, obviously sensor, new sensor, there we go, brand new from Brembo. Like I said, such an amazing kit. I'm so impressed. I would definitely recommend. And we're on. There you go. Now all I'm going to do is feed this back through the middle of the caliper and compress obviously the pistons. I'm going to actually show you how I do that, and it's how easy it is. Okay guys, so I've got my quick wrench on there. I'm going to actually pump this in. Hopefully it's going to go, it's going to work. Let's do on the one side. Should have done both at the same time. I'm doing this one hand just to show you. how easy it is. There you go, goes all the way in. Do the other side again. Literally, as soon as you've done this, slide the caliper on. Last little bit, you see it going in. So save yourself some money, guys. You know, if you haven't got a brake caliper, obviously tool, then you can actually just improvise and use something like this. So it's not cheating, it's literally just using your brain, saving your pennies. Right, so get that through now, so it makes my life easier. If it will go through. Okay, caliper back on. I am going to use the new bolts in here. They just literally spin back on there, dead easy. Get them in. Let's tighten it up. Do the bottom. Look, guys, obviously I've paused this video a few times because obviously it's very hard to do it one-handed. No one around to film it for you as you do it. But yeah, I reckon this has took me in actual fact under 10 minutes, so which is really obviously pretty impressive, especially if you know, you're spending out like 40-50 quid a time on your own brakes. You know, obviously there are some brakes which are really tricky to do, but if you can save money, then save money, and that's why I do these videos, because I'm all for people saving money. I've now slid in the brake sensor. I'm going to put it back how I found it, clip it back in there, and just got to tighten up this last bolt down there, make sure all the torque settings are right on it, put the wheel back on. I'm good to go. Thanks for watching. Yeah, hope you got something out of this. Like I said, if you never, don't worry about it. If you're a keyboard warrior, look forward to reading your opinions. And like I said, I've done this solely for the purposes of giving people an idea. All right, God bless. Take care. Bye, everyone.